Hey, it's Brad here with Alten Technologies. Occasionally, our support staff will receive calls or emails from end users who are having trouble logging into World Client, MDaemon's Webmail client. So they get an invalid password, invalid login response, and they don't know who to call. Normally, what they would do is they would contact their email administrator. Well, if they don't know who to contact, sometimes they contact us. So if you are the administrator, the MDaemon administrator, you can add some help text to the login screen. So, for example, when a user enters an incorrect password, this text can contain your phone number or a hyperlink to a web page that you have set up to offer some additional help, or it can contain an email link so the user can send an email and request assistance logging into a World Client that way. The most common methods, of course, would be putting in a phone number or linking to a web page or putting in some additional text, because naturally with an email link, if they can't get into their email, then, well, the email link isn't going to do a whole lot of good. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, what we do in MDaemon is we go into the Setup menu, and then we go to Web and IM Services. Okay? And then under the World Client section, we go to, we click on Settings. And then you have this blank here, Login Failure Help Text, which can contain HTML code. So you could say something like, for assistance, please call, and then you can put in your phone number. Or you can put in some HTML, something like this. Okay, and then one more thing here. I'm going to close my tag. Okay, so you can put something like this in. You can also use a mail to reference, again, which would allow them to send an email if you wanted to put a mail to. But the most common ways to do it would be to put in a phone number or a website, something like that. And then we hit apply and OK. Okay, so here's what happens now when you've added that helpful text. Then when your customer puts in an invalid password, let's say I'm logging into World Client and I've messed up my password and I hit sign in. Okay, so this line is the default text that will already appear by default. This is the line that we've just added. We've added our phone number and we added some HTML with a link to a web page to offer further assistance. So this is a great way to help end users know who to contact when they are having trouble logging into World Client. So just another helpful tip, and if you have questions or comments, feel free to leave us a comment below and let me know if you have any questions at that time. So have a great day.